It's a lovely sunny day. It's 14 degrees, and I'm starting where I left off last time in Raymond Road, just off Worple Road here. So I'm going straight across here. As you can see, there's a lot of new build around here. Straight on is Alexander Road. I'm going to turn right. See Wimbledon station over there. Okay. Oh, Mr. Taxi, what are we going to do? Okay, back to the station on the left. Over Wimbledon Bridge now. Prince of Wales over there. I'm going to turn left into Queen's Road. Now I know this is a dead end, so I'm going to find out why. Town on the left. South Park Road on the right, but it's a sort of a one-way. Okay, let's have a see what goes up here. I think it's a car park that goes over the shopping centre that's now above here. Well, we're going above the centre court shops. It then, isn't it? Okay, I'll have to turn round. Well, you can see the railway lines well, can't you? Down here and then continuing down Queen's Road. Okay, right. Down Queen's Road on a previous trip. I'm going to turn left into DASHCAM Road, which I used to walk down regularly to school. Didn't have these bars here. Right, over the bridge. Then you can turn right down this one, Cromwell Road, or the next one, which is Hayden Park Road. Let's go down this one. Anybody live down here? Remember the days in the 60s when a car was an exception? football ground, where it was. There we go. Yeah, they've got a lot of flats over the Wimbledon football ground. This is over the Wandle just here. Quite a large second-hand car dealership on the right-hand side in the back there. There's Ford on the left, and ahead, of course, you've got the dogs and the speedway. And of course, go down here. Oops-a-daisy, to Somers Town. Over there called a corner pin. I must admit I've never been in there. Okay, we're coming to time's up, so I'll have to stop here, people. Have a good day and I'll see you next time. Ciao.